Well, Bridie, we're at Ingleton Falls. What's your first impressions?
I think that it's really cool here, and there's 6 different waterfalls to see.
Yeah, it should be good, shouldn't it? I've never been here myself. Nice sound is the rushing water. And after all the rain, you'd expect nothing less. Guys,
It's very calm.
beautiful, isn't it? First bridge crossing.
Don't look down.
Found the first one, Pecker Falls. Apparently a 30-metre drop, and when we get to the bridge in the distance you'll get a much better view. Pecker Falls. This area is dangerous. If you leave the path, please keep to the main footpath and supervise children. And there they are. More from Pecker Falls. At the end I'm going to ask you which your favourite falls are. These are pretty spectacular, aren't they?
Yeah.
Serious amount of water coming off this hillside. What are you thinking so far, Bridie?
I think that it's really nice here.
I think this is Thornton Falls. Glorious views as we're near the top now. I think that may well be Ingleborough up there. I was so wrong earlier on. That's definitely Ingleborough. It looks like there's some hang gliders off it. I can see a blue and a red hang glider. And we're heading to Beasley Falls. What a picture that is, Beasley Falls. Love these narrow gorges with the water running through them. Gorgeous trail, just over 4 miles. Baxon Gill Gorge, viewing area only. Woo. Is this scary?
Yeah. Do you know what I could call this? The Coca-Cola Falls.
Yeah, it just looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And this is Snow Falls, 6th and final. What's Bridie thoughts of the walk?
I like it.
We've seen Snow Falls, that's the last one. What's your favourite one we've seen today?
Thornton.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? That was spectacular. Nearly at the end now. One of these wire bridges. Some last views of this fantastic trail. Hope you've enjoyed the waterfall walk with me. I very much have. Bit steep to get in, but a fantastic, about 4.5 mile trail. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye for now. Beautiful last views of this spectacular waterfall walk.